Hey, what's up guys? WashBae from Illusionz Mobile Auto Spa with yet another video, and today's topic is basically for customers that have had their vehicle ceramic coated. Now, all too often I see it. Customers, they get their vehicle ceramic coated by their detailer, and a lot of customers just are not willing to pay that hefty fee that comes along with the maintenance of maintaining a ceramic coated vehicle. Therefore, they take their vehicle to the hand car wash or the automatic car wash, and then they're wondering why there's like damage to the ceramic coating, why there's swirls. So here is my vehicle. It is ceramic coated. But here's the thing, guys. I am so ashamed right now that I have not driven it pretty much in maybe about 5 months. So in this case, today, I'm going to show you guys exactly an alternative that if you do not want to pay the hefty price for ceramic coating, I'm going to show you guys exactly where to take your vehicle to save money. And this is going to be that perfect alternative to maintain and prevent any damage to your ceramic coating. So guys, let's get to it. All right guys, so we are on the road and we are heading to the touchless wash. So I should be there in about 20 minutes. So the question that's coming up is, WashBae, why are you making this video where you know that it might affect you from making money? Let me be the one to tell you guys that I am not the detailer that is hungry for money. I am not desperate for work. And what I am putting out right now is the honest to God truth. So the question here is exactly what is going to happen when we have a harsh winter come, and you know your mobile detailer cannot come out there pulling out a wash bucket and, you know, pulling out water hose and all this other stuff. Even a rinseless wash in 20-degree weather is brutal, and the chances of the water freezing up is highly risky. Now, in this case, a lot of customers say, well, what do you do in the wintertime? In this case, you use a touchless wash versus a automatic car wash. If we're not able to provide this service in the winter, or let's just say, for example, you have customers that do not want to kick out this money for ceramic coating maintenance. And that's another thing that I find, that here it is, we offer these ceramic coatings, but they say that it'll save you money in the long run. Yes, that is true. However, it does seem to a customer that the investment of ongoing maintenance is more expensive, and just as expensive as getting the ceramic coating. You know, you got detailers out here charging $200 for a maintenance ceramic wash that is just for the exterior, which I find to be absolutely ludicrous. So guys, again, this video is going to help you as an alternative as to what you can do if you do not feel like, let's say, washing the vehicle yourself, or you don't have the money to basically maintain your ceramic coating, or it's the winter time and you just don't know what to do, where to take your vehicle to. Again, a touchless wash is going to be your best friend. It's going to be the best option, and it's not going to cause any damage. So we're almost there, guys. I cannot wait, and I'm going to show you actual footage of what it's like going into these touchless washes. All right, so I am here, guys, and you might be a little bit skeptical. This one is attached to a Lukoil gas station, but I don't care about that. I'm here because it gives me exactly what I need, and we have our touchless wash here. All right, so let's get going. And it's asking me to move forward here. And we've got the undercarriage wash coming here.
Please drive forward.
All right. I was wondering when it was going to make me to stop. I'm going to put our car in park. And as you can see here, guys, there's no brushes. There's nothing that's going to touch the vehicle except for high pressure jets.
A pre-filled cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
All right. Now we're going for our pre-soak here, which is going to also loosen up some of that dirt anything that's attached to the ceramic coating. And because this vehicle is ceramic coated, that means that once these pressure jets of soap hits it, it should just let that that dirt and grime just come right off and just loosen up from the ceramic coating. So we've got so much action going on here. The best is yet to come. All right. Again, this is really good. This is kind of like our process of detailers. Like, again, we have that that foam just as the pre-soak before they really start to get into like really pressure jetting washing up. So again, one more pre-soak here. That's almost like the reassurance. Honestly, I wish I could get out and see exactly how well this is like beating up on the surface, but you're not really going to see that because look, we're covered up in this. Uh-oh. There we go, there we go. All right. Oh yeah. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but the water is beating up like crazy on the hood, so definitely making this a much easier wash. Okay, here comes the graphene. They need to change that thing because this is a graphene. They probably have it programmed to say carnauba, but you know, again, this is graphene infused soap that's being put on here, so not a big deal. All right, but it's probably like, I guess you could say, a 5-minute process, very thorough. And once we're done, we're gonna have the blowers just blow all the water off. And then you go ahead and take it out here. Now, you can choose to have the inside done as well, which, you know, if you don't need that, then don't do it. But I usually just run it through here, they dry it, and just opt for no armor all. You don't want any armor all from a car wash because it never ends good. Because once you start driving, that armor all tire shine that they use just slings all over the paint, so I wouldn't even recommend it. But we're almost done. All right. Got a little disco thing going on in here.
A pre-soak cleaning product is now being applied to your vehicle.
A third pre-soak? Wow. There should be no complaints about this wash.
A protective product is now being applied to your vehicle.
Now what they're applying is sort of like a, I guess, a rinse and seal. So basically they apply a sealant, a graphene infused, it rinses off, you know, it adds a little protection. As you can see, everything is beating up a little bit much better, so all it's going to do is enhance your ceramic coating.
Hot pre-rinse water is now being applied to the vehicle.
Now guys, for this one they had options. They had the carnauba wash, ceramic wash, graphene wash. I opted for the graphene wash, $21. But listen here, you're gonna save a lot of money versus going to your detailer and spending $175. So we are pretty much done, but now we're gonna have the blowers come on possibly, or these guys will basically be drying it. So we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. And we're gonna go nice and slow on this one. Nice and slow. Making sure I get everything on here. Beautiful. All right. Let the back get some. And we'll have them dried. And they got actually good towels. Perfect. They've got really good towels. I'm really surprised. I'm really surprised. That looks like an auto fiber towel. So I feel even more confident. All right. That was a great experience. I'm very pleased. All right, guys. So that is pretty much it. I mean, I'm happy with the job. The vehicle looks amazing. It's not perfect. Of course, we can see little spots that were missed, stuff like that. But again, this is a touchless wash. But for what it is, for the $21 that you did not have brushes and, you know, stuff being transferred from one vehicle to another, at the fact that really no humans would touch this except for drying it, is absolutely amazing. So I hope this helps you make your next decision. That, again, it's not end all be all. There are options if you don't want to basically spend this much money on ceramic coatings, especially the maintenance. So guys, again, look at that. It's perfect. It's good enough. All right, it's just what you need to get the dirt off. So guys, WashBae from Illusionz Mobile Auto Spa. Take care.